Right friends, so yesterday we have studied about the mass percentage, that means percentage weight by weight, that means two solid substances are homogeneously mixed. Right now let's talk today about the another type of solution in which one liquid is dissolved in another liquid, that means both here solute and solvent both are in liquid state, right? And another one is weight by volume, that means a solute is in solid state and a liquid as a solvent, means solvent यहाँ liquid state में है, solute solid state में है, right? वही simple फंडा है, right? Let's understand how it is been mathematically calculated. So percentage volume by volume, that equals to volume of solute generally taken in milliliter, right? And total volume of the solution, that is also in milliliter. Here weight by volume, that means generally taken in grams, and this is in milliliter, right? Let's understand by a simple example, बहुत simple है. So example ये है कि calculate the percentage volume by volume of a solution in which 200 ml ethanol is dissolved in 2 liter aqueous ethanol solution. So here you could see that solute's volume is given as 200 ml, right? And solvent or let's say the solution itself, क्योंकि लिक्विड में डिजोल्व होता है तो उसका वॉल्यूम में बहुत चेंज नहीं आता है. सो लेट्स से सॉल्यूशन, तो उसकी क्या वैल्यू है 2 लीटर्स. सो हियर 2 लीटर्स, बट इफ यू कन्वर्ट दैट बिकम्स 2000 milliliter as we are dealing in ml. So let's use this equation, percentage volume by volume, that equals to volume of solute divided by volume of solution multiply by 100. So on substituting the value, 200 ml is the volume of solute and 2000 ml is the volume of solution. So that comes to how much? तो ये गए, that means in 2 and 2 how much left? That is 10%. तो ये जो solution हुआ percentage वॉल्यूम बाय वॉल्यूम, दैट कम्स टू 10%. तो ये 200 ml जब 2 लीटर्स में डिज़ोल्व होता है तो उसका जो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है वॉल्यूम बाय वॉल्यूम वो आता है 10%, राइट? क्लियर? तो ये हुआ परसेंटेज वॉल्यूम बाय वॉल्यूम. क्लियर? अब यहाँ देखो तो कैलकुलेट दी परसेंटेज वेट बाय वॉल्यूम containing 200 gram sugar dissolved in 5 liter of solution. तो अब देखो weight of solute, that is 200 gram, right? And volume of solution, that is 5 liter. उसको ml में कन्वर्ट करिए तो कितना आएगा 5000 मिलीलीटर, राइट? अब ध्यान से देखना, यहाँ दो लिक्विड है, बोथ सॉल्यूट एंड सॉल्वेंट आर इन लिक्विड स्टेट. हियर सॉल्यूट इज इन सॉलिड स्टेट, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर डीलिंग विथ द ग्राम, एंड लिक्विड इज द सॉल्वेंट. सो लेट्स यूज दिस इक्वेशन, परसेंटेज वेट बाय वॉल्यूम, दैट इज इक्वल टू वेट ऑफ solute divided by volume of solution multiply by 100. सो वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं 200 ग्राम डिवाइड बाय 5000 ml मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100, क्या जवाब आएगा? सो व्हाट वी कैन राइट, सो 1000 100 this 2 0 cut, again this goes 5 4 जा, you can easily write. Clear? So what will be the answer? That is 4%, right? So here percentage weight by volume will be 4%, since a solid solute dissolved in a liquid solvent, or together we can call it as a solution. तो ये बड़ा सिंपल सा terms of concentration है. Earlier we have seen that is weight by weight, this is volume by volume, and that is weight by volume. So these are very simple stuff, just closely study them and have a little practice. Thank you.